So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can use privacy settings in your Snapchat account so that your Snapchat account become more safe and secure. First of all, open your Snapchat application friends. First of all, open the chat section of your Snapchat any friend and then tap on their profile. After then tap on three dot option and friends, here you will get to see a lot of privacy settings, but first of all we will know about chat. Tap on the chat and notification settings. So friends, here you will get to see option of delete chats. So guys, by using this option you can set the duration of your chat, because if you select after wing, so after the chat, as you both back out from your chat section, then if you selected after wing, then all your message will be automatically deleted. And friends, if you have choose the option of 24 hours, then your message will be deleted after 24 hours, but all that messages which you both had saved by tapping on particular message, that will not delete. So keep in mind. And friends, after then tap simply back from this page and then tap on your profile and then tap on the settings gear and then simply scroll down your page, and here you have to tap on the option of comment settings. So guys, if you upload Snapchat Spotlight, then try to choose manually approve, because by this option you can choose which comment will have to be live or not. And then back from this page and tap on the see mean find friends. So guys, if you enable this option, then there have chances that random people will add you, because by selecting this people, your Snapchat account will be suggested to other Snapchat users. So if you don't want to make random friends on Snapchat, then you can disable this option and then back from this page and tap on activity indicator. And friends, if you enable this option, then a green dot will be visible in your Snapchat profile. This shows that you recently active on Snapchat. So you don't want to show this kind of activity indicator, then simply turn off this option and then back from this page, and here you will get to see option of see my location. So guys, if this option is set to my friends, and if you don't want to show your location to your all Snapchat friends, then try to disable your Snapchat location. So for this you can select the ghost mode option, same like me. So as you enable the ghost mode option, then no one or no your Snapchat friend can see your Snapchat location. So guys, by following all these simple steps, you can use privacy settings in your Snapchat account, and these are so much important. And friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to get more interesting and informative videos like this.